Good morning, everyone. How's everybody doing? All right, let's try that again. How's everybody doing? All righty. Couple of quick reminders before we get everything going. Quick reminder when it comes to cell phones and music. A reminder, music you can use with your laptops, your earbuds. Phones are not to be used during class or music. So I was having a conversation with one of the teachers the other morning and figured I would just make that quick reminder. With that being said, let's give out some money.
Surprise this year that we were able to get our hands on some money to continue doing the main career badge. So we have 3 students we want to recognize who completed the work experience and all the portal work. And afterwards, please come down for a picture. But we want to recognize, stand up, Kate Nichols, Megan Mahoney, and Leah McPherson.
What would I do with $500? I would give it to Kate Nichols, Megan Mahoney, and Leah McPherson. That's what I would do with the $500. I would not give it to Nolan Bell, I can guarantee you that. Alrighty. After this is done, the junior class is going to stay here for a meeting, so when I dismiss everybody, stay here, juniors. Alrighty, freshman teachers, come on down. Freshman teachers.
Student of the Month represents Winslow High School in every way a student possibly can. From the soccer field to the track oval and into the classroom, she is always positive, a team player, and motivated to better herself in all areas of her life. She is always the first to raise her hand in class. She is attentive and curious and has a thirst for knowledge. She shows responsibility in her academics and understands their importance. She has given up hobbies and interests in school to have more time for her academics and to be sure the goals she has set for herself are accomplished. Lulu is a perfect fit for Winslow, and we are lucky to have her as a Raider. Olivia Caldwell is a freshman selection for Student of the Month.
Mrs. Suvney just said she is in the best homeroom in the entire school. I don't know. I bet you it's in the top 20. I'm gonna guess. 30, 35. All right, let's hear it for the sophomore teachers. He is not allowed to sing.
Good morning. This Student of the Month is a very positive, enthusiastic member of our school. She sets high academic standards for herself and is a reflective learner. She is very invested in schoolwork and works well with other students in learning groups. This sophomore is part of Raider Nation's sports community and can be regularly seen with a bright smile. She is inclusive of all her classmates and is helpful to her peers in and out of the classroom. For these reasons, Kelty Pooler is our choice for sophomore student of the month.
Congratulations, Kelty. Alrighty, let's hear it for the junior teacher. You guys hear that? Like, that's how you encourage the teacher.
Good morning, how are you? I am well. This Winslow High School junior is conscientious and thorough with her work, participates in extracurriculars, and enjoys time with her peers. She's a very diligent student who often answers questions and provides meaningful insights during class that lead to further discussion. She communicates well and stays current in her classes. She always participates, is very respectful, and brings a great attitude to class. Even in homeroom, she is an important contributor to the Raider community. She takes the lead during the Winter Carnival and has great ideas. She always has a smile and positive outlook. She engages with the rest of the homeroom in a great way. While academics are her top priority, the relationships she has with her peers are a close second. She is kind, helpful, observant, and encouraging of others. She's also a three-sport athlete who took on the challenge of joining the swim team this year. We are proud to present January's Junior Student of the Month to Sakura Page.
Great job. Great job, Sakura. And last but certainly not least, senior teachers. I mean, they raised the bar here. You guys, minus Ethan, went here. Let's do that. We're gonna do it again. We're gonna do it again. The senior teachers.
Nowadays, it can be all too easy to take the path of least resistance in life, doing what is easy instead of pushing themselves to be the best they can. Our student of the month for the senior class is a student who defies this mentality. This student is dedicated to their academics and schoolwork and does so humbly. They maintain a quiet demeanor and work diligently to be successful in all aspects of their academics. One of their teachers indicates that their work is top-notch and has expressed consensus in their diligence. Another teacher indicates that the student of the month has shown significant success in working with their peers in various group work. This student has shown that quiet perseverance can lead to great success. Their value and the community fostered at Winslow High School has led the student to stay despite having to drive over a half hour each way to and from school. And if you look closely, you can see the students' artwork of the Roman Colosseum or streets of Copenhagen around the school. It is because of this student's immense dedication to their studies and humble demeanor. Please join me in congratulating our senior student of the month, Kalia Rever.
Great job, Kalia. And if you can believe this or not, but Mr. Keenan just said, in fact, that is the greatest homeroom in America. I will go one better and say we have the greatest high school in America. And I've said it time and time again. What makes this the greatest high school in America is everybody in this room. I know at times things may seem a little fractured. Sometimes we can be at each other's throats. Sometimes we can treat each other not so nicely. But when it's all said and done, we are all Raiders. The other day I was watching the news, and I don't do it very often because the news doesn't always give good, warm, fuzzy things. But as Lester Holt signs off every night, he says something that is really, it makes a lot of sense for all of us to take with us. He always says, take care of yourselves and each other. And so what I'm going to ask you to do as you leave here today, to not only take care of yourselves, because winter can be really long, cold, dark, gloomy for a lot of us, but take care of each other. And that's really what's going to make us the best high school in America. So, thank you. And with that being said, head back to homeroom and